Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the favorite fonts feature in VinylCut 5. Just here now, intro video quick. So this video and more videos like this can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We do upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any updates. Otherwise, back in the program. So now, let's say we have our font selected here. Now to locate your font's properties, for those that don't know, it's here on the right, little A icon. And then if we go under view and it's set to all by default, then under your fonts, if you click on this little arrow, it will show you every single font installed on your PC. And then if you're anything like me that like to hoard at times, this font preview is really a great option. So let's say you're now going through your fonts, you find something you like, then you just, next to the fonts options, there's a little heart with a plus. You click that, and it'll add it to your favorites. Now, let's say you go down, you find another font you like, you can just do the same, you repeat this step until you through your list, or, you just, you're done with that. Then to locate it, you can go to view. Let's say you're working on a project and you only want to see the fonts you actually like. Then you go from the view, select from the drop-down menu favorites, and now you'll see under font, it only shows our favorites. Now, let's say there's a font you don't really use anymore, it's not quite there, then if you select it, you can go to the little heart on the right, and then you'll see it's got a minus now. Now you can actually remove it from your favorites. So now, as you can see, it's no longer there. Like I said, or mentioned, this is a great tool to use, and it does save you a lot of time, and I would have wished more programs have this feature. And then otherwise here on our website, if you go to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more videos like this. You'll see we've got quite a variety of different software we will be covering, and then we also have a search option on top if you're looking for something specific. Otherwise, if you don't find what you're looking for, you can always request the training video and then we will make it for you. Otherwise, thanks and cheers.